Welcome to the ultimate sci-fi showdown. Tonight, we pit two of the most iconic killers in cinematic history against each other, the relentless Terminator and the stealthy Predator. Who will emerge victorious in this epic battle? Strap in as we dive deep into this clash of titans, exploring every detail, every move, and every possible outcome. This isn't just a fight, it's a spectacle that will keep you on the edge of your seat, so let's get started. The battlefield is a desolate, war-torn city, a haunting reminder of the war between machines and humans. Smoke rises from the ruins, fires flicker in the distance, and an eerie wind howls through the wreckage. From the shadows emerges the T-800 Terminator, unstoppable, unfeeling, and engineered for one purpose: destruction. But it's not alone. The Predator, a deadly alien hunter from a distant world, has arrived. Cloaked in cutting-edge technology, it's ready to stalk its prey with precision and cunning. This isn't just a fight for survival, it's a battle for supremacy that will determine the ultimate Predator. Let's break down our contenders. First, the Terminator. This cybernetic assassin, created by Skynet, is a marvel of futuristic engineering. Its hyperalloy endoskeleton makes it nearly indestructible, capable of withstanding bullets, explosions, and even direct missile strikes. Its strength is off the charts, allowing it to crush steel with its hydraulic grip and lift massive objects like cars with ease. Equipped with an advanced CPU, it can analyze situations, adapt its strategies, and learn from every encounter. Its primary weapon is a plasma rifle, capable of unleashing devastating energy blasts, but its true power lies in its relentless will to terminate its target, no matter the cost. The Terminator doesn't feel pain, it doesn't tire, and it won't stop until its mission is complete. Now, let's turn to the Predator. This elite Yuja warrior hails from a race that lives for the thrill of the hunt, seeking out the deadliest species across the galaxy. Physically, it rivals the Terminator in strength, but its edge comes from its advanced technology. The Predator's plasma caster, mounted on its shoulder, fires energy blasts hot enough to melt through steel and concrete. Its wrist blades are razor-sharp, designed for close-quarters combat with surgical precision. The retractable spear adds versatility, while the energy shield offers temporary protection. But the real game-changer is its cloaking device, rendering it nearly invisible to the naked eye, and its thermal vision, which detects heat signatures in any environment. Beyond its arsenal, the Predator brings centuries of hunting experience, tactical brilliance, and an instinctual understanding of its prey. However, unlike the Terminator, it can feel pain, bleed, and has limits to its endurance, factors that could play a role in a prolonged battle. The fight is about to begin, and the tension is palpable. Picture this: the Predator circles its prey, analyzing every move with its advanced sensors. The T-800 stands motionless, its red eyes glowing as it scans the horizon, tracking the shifting heat signatures in the air. Suddenly, a sharp whoosh cuts through the silence. The Predator launches its retractable spear, aimed directly at the Terminator's cranium. With a slight tilt of its head, the T-800 dodges by mere inches, the spear embedding itself into a wrecked vehicle behind it, piercing the metal like paper. Without hesitation, the Terminator lifts its plasma rifle and fires a massive energy blast that rips through the air. But the Predator is gone in an instant, its cloaking technology flickering as it leaps between the ruins, vanishing from sight. The T-800 marches forward, undeterred. The hunt has officially begun, and both warriors are now fully committed. But the T-800 twists mid-motion, smashing the baton into the Predator's gut. A shockwave ripples through the Yuja's body, and it staggers, momentarily stunned. The Terminator seizes the opportunity, moving with inhuman speed to gain the upper hand. We've reached the climax of this epic showdown. With the Predator reeling, the T-800 grabs its throat, lifting the hunter off the ground. The Predator slashes wildly, its wrist blades cutting deep into the Terminator's arm, but the machine doesn't flinch. It tightens its grip, and the sound of cracking bones fills the air as the Predator's armor begins to fracture. The hunter lets out a final defiant roar, a last stand against its mechanical foe. In a brutal finishing move, the Terminator slams the Predator down onto a jagged metal spike protruding from the rubble. The Yuja twitches, green blood oozing from the mortal wound, its life fading. In a desperate last act, it reaches for its self-destruct device, a failsafe to take its enemy with it. But the T-800 sees it coming and crushes the wrist gauntlet beneath its boot before the countdown can begin. The battle is over. The Terminator stands over the fallen warrior, its red eyes burning like twin infernos. It doesn't celebrate. It doesn't feel victory. Its mission is complete. As the dust settles, the wind howls through the wreckage. Above, the Predator's ship hovers, scanning the battlefield with its advanced sensors. It hesitates, as if weighing the cost of this loss. Then, silently, it turns and retreats into the cold darkness of space. The Terminator watches, its unblinking gaze fixed on the departing vessel. Somewhere out there, the Predators will remember this night. They'll analyze their defeat, hone their skills, and return stronger. But for now, the T-800 reigns supreme over this ruined battlefield, a testament to its unyielding design. So, who would win in a real head-to-head? Let's analyze the possibilities. In an urban setting, the Terminator has a clear advantage. Its sheer durability means the Predator's weapons, while devastating, won't stop it quickly. The T-800 can absorb damage, keep fighting, and outlast its opponent in a prolonged engagement. Its infrared scanning, though not as advanced as the Predator's tech, can still detect movement and heat, giving it a chance to counter stealth attacks. However, the Predator's cloaking and tactical prowess could turn the tide if it sets up ambushes or traps. In a jungle environment, the tables might flip. The dense foliage and natural cover would amplify the Predator's stealth capabilities, allowing it to strike from the shadows and exploit the Terminator's limited visibility. Its thermal vision would also give it an edge in tracking the machine's heat signature. Let's consider a few specific scenarios. In a direct, brute force confrontation, the Terminator's resilience and strength might overpower the Predator. Imagine a scenario where the hunter's plasma caster runs out of charge or its blades dull. The T-800's endurance could wear it down. On the other hand, if the fight becomes a strategic hunt, the Predator's cunning in technology could secure the win. Picture the Terminator trudging through a forest, unaware of a net trap or a well-placed explosive. The Predator's ability to outmaneuver and outthink its prey could lead to a decisive victory. Ultimately, it depends on the battlefield and the circumstances. In a straight-up brawl, the Terminator might take it. In a tactical duel, the Predator's skills could give it the upper hand. It's a razor-thin margin, and the outcome could go either way depending on the day. What do you think? Who wins this legendary showdown? Is it the Terminator's unbreakable will, or the Predator's unmatched hunting prowess? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear your theories and favorite moments from this battle. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic showdown. Share this with your friends who love sci-fi battles, and let's get a discussion going. And stay tuned, the next challenger is already on the horizon. As the credits roll, a mysterious blue glow flickers in the ruins. The sound of mechanical footsteps approaches, accompanied by the hiss of a hydraulic-legged servomotor. A shadow moves into frame, hinting at a new warrior ready to step into the fray. Who will rise next? The story continues, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next epic battle.